Okay, so we're now going to look at our unemployment rate, or rather how to calculate our unemployment rate. Okay, in your exam, the question is probably going to give you quite a lot of information. They're going to say that the population of the country is X amount. They're going to say there are so many children, Y amount, so many pensioners of so much. And it doesn't really matter. You can ignore all that information. The only two pieces of information that you need to calculate your unemployment rate, they would give you the employed and they would give you the unemployed. All right. So let's just assume that the employed is 10 million and the unemployed is 5 million. All right. So how to calculate your unemployment rate? What you need to do is you need to divide the unemployed your unemployment rate is equal to the unemployed divided by your employed plus your unemployed. All right, now your unemployed plus your employed is also called your labor force or your economically active population. So they might give you those two terms in your exam as well. So you need to know what those are. Your labor force or your economically active population are all the people in the economy that are willing and able to work, and those would form part of your employed and your unemployed. All right, so based on our example, if we needed to calculate the unemployment rate, we take the number of unemployed, which is 5, and we need to divide it by the employed, which is 10, plus the unemployed, which is 5. So it is 5 million divided by 15 million, and you should get an answer of 0.33. And remember, just to convert it into a percentage, you need to times it by 100. So in this case, you would get an answer of 33.3% of this population is unemployed. Now, the last thing that you need to bear in mind is whether they're asking you for your strict or expanded definition. So there's 3 different conditions that would determine whether the employee forms part of the strict or expanded definition. And the only one that you need to remember is discouraged workers. All right. So you need to remember that the expanded definition includes discouraged workers, meaning people that are not actively looking for employment. But your strict definition does not include discouraged workers. So your strict definition of unemployment does not include people that are not actively looking for work.